Mabuhayers and Mabuhay. Once again, this is another edition of my Mabuhay vlog. Your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Welcome to my featured version of my Mabuhay channel. My location now is, I'm here in People's Park of Davao City. We're in the latest tourist attraction, beauty spot in Davao. I would like to feature this one, known as the Davao Museum. Yes, Davao Museum, which is Dorian inspired. Davao is known as the land of the Dorian. So this building was crafted based on the Dorian fruit. Wow, really so amazing. I love this one. And so exciting, my Kamabuhay years. In as much as the entrance is zero. Yes, you have heard it right. Free entrance here in Davao. No single centavo that is required for payment. So you can enter this amazing, terrific, really wonderful latest attraction in Davao City. So for those who's not able to visit yet this Davao Dorian inspired museum, come now. It's already jam-packed with many people, students, the adult, the teenagers, the kids are here already. The ones was young. Okay, as you can see, there are many people forming their line just to get inside the Davao Museum, or known as Pambansang Museum ng Pilipinas. National Museum of the Philippines, Davao. Museo Davaoenyo. Lungsod ng Davao. So exciting. Really. So look at the amazing architecture, design. Wow. I cannot help myself but really just have my comment that it's really terrific, marvelous, glory building, grandeur, once in a kind. Really, it's exemplary. So please come now, those who are not able to visit yet this Davao Museum. However, I'm not allowed to vlog inside, so I'm just having my picture just outside of the Dorian-inspired museum here in my location. Okay, take a look of that. Yes, this is Ilonggo Vlog. Damo-damo diya ang nagasulod na karon, mga students, mga gwapo, mga gwapa. Mabuhay channel. So actually before going there in the different floor of the museum, you are going to undergo an orientation. Yes, someone is in charge to give orientation that everything is not allowed to be touched. Yes, you are not allowed to touch all the artifacts, everything that is being exhibited inside the museum. So we are just done having our tour inside, but videos, vlogs not allowed. And what we have witnessed, we have different artifacts. What are those? The history of Davao, stones, different stones, the culture, like their different clothing or clothes of the previous tribes here in Davao, ancient tribes that is already being preserved on this location. The animals, the elephants, we were able to witness, and those history of Davao were in featuring those remarkable group of ethnic groups like the Bagubo, Mandaya, and so many of them, like also their things while they are living yet. So I really love this one. being a world history teacher. So everything is here. Archaeology, which is the study of the remains of the past. And anthropology, the study of the origin of the people, their race, and their culture. So exactly, this is the museum that is being preserved here by our historians, and of course, including anthropologists and archaeologists, that it was already realized. So, what are you waiting for? Come now and come here and have your Davao Museum tour right now, right here. Open Tuesday after Friday, but they're not open on Monday. Come one, come on, morning and afternoon. So this is my picture here, live and alive, in my location, People's Park, just inside the People's Park. Thank you everyone. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, live and alive in Davao City, Davao Museum of the Philippines. Dorian inspired the latest beauty spot, tourist spot in Davao. Thank you kamabuhay, kamabuhayers. Thank you everyone for watching my vlog. Everyone on Facebook. Thank you kamabuhay and mabuhay. Signing off until my next vlog. Thank you everyone.